The ATP Proving Ground is located in Papenburg, Germany, surrounded by an idyllic landscape of marshland, in harmony with ecology and economy. The old seaport city perfectly combines historical roots and creative high-tech. The shipbuilding of the world-famous Meyer shipyard and the Transrapide are perfect examples of this combination, as is since 1998 the ATP Proving Ground. Here, ATP offers the testing of complete vehicles and its components to all international car manufacturers, system and component suppliers. To assure the highest degree of safety and product secrecy, ATP guarantees that only authorized personnel have access to the Proving Ground. The customer service office is open 24 hours a day and answers all questions of coordination or any other matter relevant to the client. Before entering the test facilities, all test drivers receive an introduction, including detailed information of all tracks and their safety aspects by a certified safety expert. The use of the test track facilities as well as the rescue team is coordinated by the dispatcher's office, from which direct radio contact to all test drivers is kept at all times. Now it's time to enter the first test track. The handling circuit is an exact copy of the so-called small Hockenheim ring. It is mainly used for handling tests, and here the drivers push their vehicles to the limits. The track is also used for testing vehicle dynamics, benchmarking, and driver safety training. On the high-speed oval with its 12.3 kilometer length, its long straights and two steep banks with an inclination of almost 50 degrees, vehicles can reach a neutral steer speed of 250 kilometers per hour. It can be used by passenger cars and trucks at the same time. Here, the chassis can be tested, as well as brakes and tires. Comfort tests and high-speed tests can be run. On 5, 8, 12, and 18% slopes with mu-split surfaces, which can be watered, electronic and mechanical traction control systems can be tested. On the acoustic track with a heatable surface, certified noise pass-by tests from passenger cars and trucks can be carried out. The 8 lanes of the brake test track are 300 meters long each and have surfaces with different friction levels. They can be watered in sections and are especially useful for testing of electronic and mechanical control systems, for example ABS, ESP, and so on. Over a distance of 25 kilometers, the durability course offers several country road elements for testing and fine-tuning of vehicles. The dynamic circular pad area is 300 meters in diameter and has trapezoid approach roads of 1.2 kilometers in length. It's suitable for testing the function of electronic control systems in different driving maneuvers. Constant circular driving, slalom, and VDA lane change maneuvers, as well as driver safety training, can be done on passenger cars and trucks. By means of a variable sprinkler system, certain sections of the wet handling track can be watered, as for example the aquaplaning area. The arrangement of sharp bends includes, amongst other features, a skid pad with a radius of 40 meters. That means, again, pushing the car to the limit. On the rough road, driving comfort and material properties are examined. Concrete plate jolts and cobblestones, as well as big pebbles, especially challenge a vehicle's material and driving comfort. But the ATP Proving Ground goes beyond just the rental of test facilities. For all clients, workshops can be rented. In the ATP workshop, test vehicles can be equipped with all kinds of measuring equipment. On customer demand, ATP develops, installs, and tests every setup for passenger cars and for trucks. ATP's experts are provided with all necessary tools and equipment: a four-wheel drive performance dynamometer, a climatic chamber, and further measuring equipment complete the ATP portfolio. ATP will monitor the demands of the market and fulfill our clients' requirements in the future, just as we have done in the past. So it remains an attractive location for vehicle testing. Process-oriented and slim structures guarantee an excellent cost-effectiveness and a maximum of efficiency 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Our clients can be sure that a product tested at ATP will succeed on the market. When may we be at your service on our proving ground?